Hello all. Today I will be discussing about Socio-cultural Anthropology module. In anthropology, Socio-cultural Anthropology module is easy module when compared to other modules. Unit number 2, 3, 4, 5 together is part of Socio-cultural Anthropology module. In the Socio-cultural Anthropology module, in unit number 2 we have 5 subunits. 2.1 Culture, 2.2 Society, 2.3 Marriage, 2.4 Family, 2.5 Kinship. So first we want culture, rules and regulations. Then when we have rules and regulations, then the society will be established, people will come together and form an association. After forming association, men want women, women want men. So a marriage came for peaceful coexistence, then the marriage. Then when marriage has been happened, there is a need for care between the man and woman, hence a family came into existence. And we bought a woman from other place, so a new relatives got established, kinship systems. In that way, it got organized, arranged properly. This arrangement of culture, society, marriage, family, kinship is part of socio-cultural anthropology module. And coming to third unit, which is economic organizations. Economic organization. In this economic organization, the next, how many varieties of economic subsistences, how many varieties of ways of living, food gathering, pastoralism. So different varieties of economic subsistence are studied under unit number 3, economic organizations. And the next is political organizations, how the political systems are arranged. What are the political systems which are being arranged? How many varieties of political systems like band, chiefdom, kingdom, tribe level, state level, different varieties of political organization, power, authority, legitimacy, these all are there in the political organization. Then people are not feared for political organizations also. Then a supreme power, a superpower which is looking at us from the sky, God, religion. Then the fifth unit is religion. In this way, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 and third, fourth, fifth are all together part of socio-cultural anthropology module. It's part of socio-cultural anthropology module. So how culture, how society, how marriages came into existence, how family came into existence, how kinship system came into existence, these all things we will be. First I will go with nature of culture. In this nature of culture 2.1 unit, what are all the topics are there? Daily one unit I will be explaining. So in 2.1, the nature of the concept and characteristics of culture. What is culture? A way of living is called as culture. The rules and regulations, a combination of material and non-material aspect, dress, food habits, beliefs, customs, this all together is called as culture. Civilization. The technology version is called as civilization. The modern version is called as civilization. The systems which we adopt is called as civilization. The technology which we use is called as civilization. So culture is rules and regulations, a way of life is culture. Civilization, the technology which we adopt to the time is called as civilization. So proper understanding of culture, characteristics of culture, civilization, characteristics of civilization, relationship between culture and civilization, difference between culture and civilization. Who is the anthropologist gave the definition of culture? E.B. Taylor. Who is the anthropologist gave the definition of civilization? Like Switzer. These all things we will be discussing. And ethnocentrism vis-a-vis culture relativism. What is ethnocentrism? We people are great is called as ethnocentrism. Culture relativism, no. Your culture is great in your context, my culture is great in my context. I will not degrade you, you don't degrade me. I am not telling you are superior, I am inferior. I am not telling I am superior, you are inferior. Culture relativism. Ethnocentrism, I am superior. So ethnocentrism vis-a-vis culture relativism. This is in the nature of culture. So culture, concept and characteristics of culture, definition of culture, characteristics of culture, definition of civilization, characteristics of civilization, relationship between culture and civilization, similarities and dissimilarities, ethnocentrism what, culture relativism what is the relationship between both of them is 2.1. In this series of World of Anthropology, tomorrow I will be coming up with 2.2 which is society. Thank you, all the best, Jai Hind.